Hello and welcome to the Opal shop. Here I've got a parcel with two different cuts of Boulder Opal. They also look quite different and have different patterns in them. I'll bring this round over so we can have a look. I've got a lovely pattern on this one. The shape's already pretty much nice and ready to work with. Just need some finishing. As you can see, ramifications of the patterns. There's the black, which doesn't contain much detail at all. The front, got nice shades of green and blue all coming through. And they've been wetted, so the colours pop out really nicely. And then we've got Boulder number 2, which it's quite nicely shaped, pre-shaped if you ask me. It's already ready to work with, and it's displaying a little bit less opal to it, but nonetheless still quite a lovely pattern. And this is it for the combo of 2. Thanks for watching. Have a lovely one.